All right, so occasionally we get people that ask about our cleaning products and how to best clean the system. Now we have a very long video on how to, from start to finish, on how to do that. But this will be just like a brief overview of the most common cleaning chemicals and items people need in order to clean their system properly. So first let's start with the chemicals. You only need one. One is, it's a beer line cleaner, right? And so we have three different versions. One is a liquid, one is a powder, and then one is a tablet. These are essentially all the same thing. It just depends on the form that you want to use. The most common and most professional is going to be BLC. This is going to be the strongest. The downside to this is it's hazmat. I can only ship this ground. So if you need something fast, don't get this. These two is a powdered version of beer line cleaner, work just as well, but this is essentially the same product, okay? And you're gonna dissolve one of these products into a solution of water. So you can either push it through your system with a beer pump that connects to your beer coupler. You can use, if you've got a 2-gallon Greg or keg, you can use that. You can fill this with a cleaning solution, or if you've got a larger 4-tap system, we have a dual head 4-gallon cleaning keg. You can clean 2 at a time. It's got dual heads on it, so this is another really good option if you're looking for speed. So this is just a way to dissolve the cleaner into a keg and then tap your system. It's called cleaning in place. So you're just basically leaving your system hooked up. You're unhooking whatever you tap to pour with, whether it's beer or a craft cocktail, and then you're just tapping the cleaning solution, opening up your faucet, letting the cleaner run through the system. Okay? Now, a good final rinse, once you've cleaned your system with a beer line cleaner, is to then fill one of your vessels with Star San, which is a no rinse sanitizer. This is a really good final rinse and a good way to just keep everything sanitary. A couple honorable mentions would be Brewery Oxygen Wash, which would be really good for cleaning really dirty kegs. Petro Gel, which is a keg lubricant, which is used for beer couplers on the gaskets. Okay, it keeps the gaskets from drying out and having to replace them as often. So we like to keep some keg lubricant on the gaskets themselves. And then one of our favorite little things is our coupler cleaning caps, which when we're in the field, we like using them for just keeping our beer couplers clean, but also with your system hooked up, if you've cleaned your system with a keg and then you're done, and let's say you've got Star San in your system and you want a way to get it out and you just want to blow the lines with carbon dioxide, you can unhook your cleaning keg, connect your cleaning cap, engage the coupler, and what'll happen is if you're still hooked up to your CO2, the CO2 will go in here, it'll come fill the bottom here, and then it'll push CO2 out. And then what'll happen is if you open up your beer tap, CO2 will push all the liquid out of your line. So that's another way to use your coupler cleaning caps as well. So bare minimum, what you want is a BLC and a way to push it through your system. So this is the cheapest, most economical way to do that. Second step would be a larger system like a 4-gallon dual head cleaning keg. So any questions, support at coldbreakusa.com.